Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back here at 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒆 Philippines. It's starting to rain, but still, let me give you a quick tour on the facility and what we're currently working here at the office. So here in our tinting area or service area, we have a couple of vehicles that we're currently working on. So we have Bay 1, Bay 2, and Bay 3, all of which we have a couple of vehicles that we are currently performing some of the services. So first off is the Toyota Hiace. That's the elite version. We're installing our paint protection film. It's been here for almost a week now, and yeah, it's taking a long time to actually get this done because this is a fairly large vehicle, and at the same time we're installing one of the most challenging products to install on a vehicle, paint protection film. But you know, we're happy with the outcome so far. We're just completing a couple of steps on the vehicle just to finish it up, so expect an update on this really soon until we're done working on the car. Now let's jump over to this vehicle here. This is the Ford Everest titanium. Last time we had this repainted, there was a big scratch, I think, on this side, if not on the other side. There was a very big scratch here because the customer had an accident and scratched up the vehicle. There was also some damages on the side, but as you can see now, it's no longer visible and it looks just like the original paint. But again, the customer, after realizing that, opted to go for the ceramic coating. This one is scheduled for our Graphene ceramic coating. That's the highest level of protection for ceramic coating products right now available in the market. So we're going to install that, and on the rims we're going to do a rim specific ceramic coating. On the glass surface we're also going to be applying a glass specific ceramic coating. So stay tuned for this update. This is still just the detailing that we did on the car, but it already looks really nice. The paint has already been rejuvenated, but wait until this is applied already with the ceramic coating. That's just really gonna take it a notch higher. Right, so let's jump over to the last vehicle on the service area. This is the Toyota Hilux that we featured just a couple of days ago. We've completed the detailing or the paint correction on the vehicle. This is already due for ceramic coating. This is going to be the standard quartz ceramic coating package that we have here at 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒆 Philippines. That is the entry level that we have. We're also going to be applying ceramic coating in the rims as well as the glass of this vehicle. So again, if you guys are in the market for window tinting, ceramic coating, feel free to visit us here at 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒉𝒆 Philippines, and we've got it all for you here at our shop. Thank you, and we'll see you here in the office. Have a great day.